Okay, so problem 24 is lexicographic permutations. So the example it gives is with 0, 1 and 2, and here's the different permutations, and what it wants us to do is order all the permutations of the digits 0 to 9, so 10 different digits. It wants us to order all these different permutations and then input the millionth permutation. So luckily for us, this can be really quick. There's actually a module that handles permutations called itertools. So you can see right here, we can do it basically in one line. You just print this thing right here. So what this is doing is you call the function itertools.permutations and you pass in the value range 10. So this is the number of digits we want to pass in. And once we call that, we're going to put the output of this into a list. So list it. And then once we've got that, we want to print out the 999,999 entry because we have 0 indexing, so this will give us the millionth term. So we print that and that should be our answer. So if I save this and run, so those digits there you see should match the answer. If I flick back to this, you should be able to see the digits at the bottom there, so they do indeed match. This is the right answer, and if you're interested in the exact code that works with doing this, then inside the itertools module, if you went and found the code for this, or if you search for it online, you'll see this function right here. So this is the thing we're calling the permutations function, and passing in range 10 as the iterable. So you can see here it gives you two examples. So the range function is what we're using. So if you use range 3, it does these ones, which is actually the ones it gives in the example. So yeah, we're just passing in range 10 instead and then slicing it for the millionth entry. So feel free to read through this in your own time, but this is how it does it anyway. It basically just slices different indexes of the digits and puts them in order. So yeah, real quick one. I could have done this the long way, but what's the point in doing that when the module's already coded? No need to try and reinvent the wheel or whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.